Nowadays, political parties are emphasizing a charter of democracy. Let's see what is this. In 2006, PMLN and People's Party signed a document aimed at promoting democratic governance and political stability in Pakistan. There's a detailed legal analysis and key aspects of its implication, key provisions of Charter to democracy, restoration of democracy, commitment to democratic principles to COD emphasizes the restoration and strengthening of democratic institutions, ensuring that all the political activities conducted within the framework of the constitution. End of the military influence. It calls for an end of military interference in politics, advocating civilian supremacy and the rule of law. Judicial independence. Reforms in judiciary. The COD process proposes reforms to ensure independence of judiciary, including appointment of judges through a transparent and merit-based process. Accountability mechanism. It also suggests the mechanism for judicial accountability to maintain public trust in judiciary. Number three, electoral reforms. Free and fair electoral reforms. The COD outlines measures to ensure free and fair elections, including establishment of independent election commission, electoral transparency. It advocates the transparency in electoral process to prevent dragging and manipulation. Constitutional Amendment 18th Amendment. One of the most significant outcomes of the COD was the 18th Amendment, which gives power to the provinces and strengthen the parliamentary democracy. Other amendments, the COD also led to 19th and 20th Amendment, which further refined the constitutional framework to support democratic governance. Legal and political implication. Strengthening democratic institutional reforms. The COD has been instrument in initiating reforms aimed at strengthening democratic institutions, ensuring that they operate independently and sufficiently. Civil military relations. By advocating for civil supremacy, COD has contributed to redefine civil military relationship in Pakistan. Throughout, the challenges remain judicial independence and accountability, merit-based appointment. The emphasis on merit-based judicial appointment has helped in promoting judicial independence, although the implication of these reforms has been faced obstacle. Judicial independence, ensuring accountability within the judiciary, remains a complex issue with ongoing debates about the best mechanism to achieve this. Electoral reforms and transparency improve electoral process. The COD focused on electoral reforms has led to improvements in electoral process throughout the issues like electoral fraud and voter intimidation still needed to be addressed. Role of election commission. Strengthening the election commission has been a positive step, but its independence and efficiency continue to be scrutinized. Constitution amendments. Devolution of powers. The 18th Amendment devolution of the powers to be the provinces has been a significant step towards federalism, but it has also raised issues related to resources allocation, inter-provincial coordination, parliamentary democracy. The amendments has reinforced parliamentary democracy, but political stability and effective governance remain ongoing challenges. Criticism and challenges, implication gaps, incomplete reforms. While COD outlines a comprehensive reforms, the implication has been inconsistent with the several provisions yet to be realized. Political will. The success of COD depends upon the political will of the successive governments to adhere to its principle and continue the reform process. Continued political polarization, partisanism, politics. Despite of COD aims to foster political cooperation, pastoral politics and rivalry between major political parties continue to be hindered to fulfill its implication. Civil military tensions. While COD seeks to limit military interference, civil military tensions remain significant issue in Pakistan political landscape. The Charter of Democracy remained a landmark effort to promote democratic governance and political stability in Pakistan, which has led to significant reforms, particularly in judicial independence and electoral process. Challenges in implications and outgoing political dynamics continue to impact its effectiveness. Continued commitment to the principles outlined in the COD is essential for substantial development of democracy in Pakistan.